Just going to have a go at getting the flares off my JB74. I've got 8-inch rims on there. Standard is 5.5. Most people put 7s, which I did have, and I've gone up to 8. So I had to put these little screw-on flares on top of the normal ones, but I found these other ones here on the net, and they're quite aggressive looking, and they seem to come out just as far as this does, which is perfect. I've had them for months, but I was more interested in buying them than I was fitting them, because I've been putting off getting these things off, to be honest. But I only use the car a couple of times a year. Might be going away soon, so I better get into it. They're actually quite expensive. I got them off AliExpress, and they're about $500, and they're just thin plastic, really. Just I'm actually surprised the lack of quality they are, but whatever. It looks like clips. Get this off, and looking at the base of that, it looks like this must go under here. I hope I don't have to take my rock slider off. Okay, so I actually took the wrong ones off there. I've gone ahead and pulled the thing for the inner skin here off when I need to take these off. Okay, so they're all off. That little part on the top there, you just lever that up. Just got a little tool. You just get under there. You probably use a flat bladed screwdriver as well. It's probably more likely to wreck them and have to replace them, but they're only cheap. So they're off, and I found two what looks like 10mm bolts under here. So I'll take those off. Before I get underneath and look on that, I'm just going to see if this is actually coming loose at all. Oh yeah, she's coming loose. It's actually really cold here today, and I thought, like with the double-sided tape there, I might have to put a heat gun on here to heat this up. But she's just coming away. Look at that. It's a seal there. And I'll try and leave that on there. What do we got here? There was actually two clips underneath there, just facing straight up, exactly the same type of clip. I don't think I needed to take the inner skin off, but clips are easier to go back on than off. You just push them back in. Okay, so that's the front one on. Probably took half an hour really, but it should have taken 10 minutes. But now we know what to do. The back one looks even easier. We've got a 10mm under there, 10mm there, and then clips around here. And I can't even make the mistake with the inner guard because it doesn't have one on the back. Okay, so there's a couple of clips under here as well that just go straight up under there. So I'm just trying to pull it off now. I've just pulled this one back a little bit. If I can, I'll just get that seal thing. It's not a, yeah, I guess it's a seal, that rubber, to stay on the car so it stays in the right spot. I had to fiddle around with the front one because I moved it. Just kind of keep that seal on the car, not on the thing. Oh, look at that. Just coming off now. Come on. Now, what have I forgotten? It's pretty loose under there. Okay. Probably something here I've still got there. I took the bolt from up here out. Yep, just needed some force. Whatever holds the clip thing onto here. All right, it's a bit different style. That bit there, those two there, clip into here, just had to be pulled out. So yeah, that was actually pretty easy. I reckon if you're going to do this job, just do the back ones first because they're way easier. I forgot to tell you, you've just got to run a drill through these holes. I just picked something that was close to the hole in the original flare, and I think it's around 6 mil, 6.5 mil, something like that. I don't think it needs to be absolutely precise, because you're drilling out enough to get that bit there through, but you've got all that flange there to play. Okay, so second side should be easier, no more guessing. I had 1 bolt there to take off, I had 2 clips to take off up in here, a clip, a clip, 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 that clip, don't think I had to take that bolt off before, so I won't take it off this time. Okay, so that's all fitted up. It's not quite done. This one, even though I've got the clips in the holes, got a big gap there. Yeah, so I have to take that one back off. I did have to trim it a little bit in here to get this pushed in that way. So I'm guessing I got to trim it more. I just got to, yeah, it must be, the edge of this must be fouling, I don't know. So I've got a decent gap there I've got to deal with. And more importantly, this one here, that's on full lock. And I've got my wheel touching this here. So I'm going to have to take my wheel off and trim the plastic where the wheel's hitting. I haven't tried the other side, but I'm sure it'll be the same when I go full lock the other way. This part here is sticking out and it's in the way. The 8-inch wheels fit inside there, so I've got no problems there. It's all legal. I mean, they were before with these extra bits screwed onto there as well, but you know, that looks way better. I'm just gonna have to do something with these. I'll put some fake screws in these holes. Yeah, I'll figure something out there.